I've never done this before. No store, no sales, nothing, but I gave myself 7 days to go from zero to profitable, drop shipping that viral LED mask all over your FYP. What could go wrong, right? I see people making 10K, 20K, 100K in hoodies, in bed. No boss, just Wi-Fi and vibes. I want that life too. But if this doesn't work, it's back to my 9 to 5. No exit plan, just regret. So, what even is dropshipping? Let's break it down. First, find a product. Second, build a store on Shopify. Third, customer buys from you. Fourth, supplier ships it. Fifth, you keep the profit. Simple in theory, but theory is not reality. I needed something viral, scroll stopping, problem solving. Then I saw it. The LED mask. It costs $19. I can sell it for $50. That's $31 profit per sale. Math was mathing. I was in. Built the site in one night. Next up, marketing. I made 6 TikToks. 4 were just vibey scroll bait. 2 were actual ads. 1 was funny. 1 was informative. I was trying everything. If you saw an LED mask at 2 a.m., yeah, that was me. Then TikTok froze my ad account for no reason. Finally got it working. Then it glitched. I spent money and there was no traffic, just me, refreshing the page like a maniac. TikTok charged me $210 in ads. I got 0 sales, 0. But they did give me $200 back in ad credit. So overall, here's what I spent. $44 on the store, $210 on ads, $200 credit. Everyone online makes dropshipping look easy. It's not. It's confusing. It's technical. It's humbling. But I'm not done. I'm rebuilding the store, and I'm not stopping until I get 1 sale. Follow for part 2. Let's see what actually works.